Welcome to HK Bazaar. Why vendors must abandon high-risk cod. The urgency of shifting to a digital marketplace. The digital tsunami. The Pakistani e-commerce sector is undergoing a rapid and massive transformation. With the market projected to reach $10.4 billion by 2025 and the digital user base surging past 110 million, the growth is spectacular.
This rapid expansion makes it the perfect time to sell online with a forward-looking partner.
However, vendors face a critical decision. Do you remain shackled to the outdated, slow model of the past, or do you step into the secure, efficient, and profitable digital future?
The heavy cost of the old guard. Why you need a new marketplace.
The single biggest roadblock to a vendor's profitability and scalability is the ecosystem of the old marketplace model, which is overwhelmingly reliant on cash-on-delivery (COD).
This reliance creates a toxic combination of high fees and operational chaos.
The COD cash flow crisis. Your payments are not instant. The COD process, from order to collection to reconciliation, can lock up your capital for weeks, starving your business of the cash it needs to reinvest, restock, and grow.
Exorbitant fees. Traditional marketplaces are profitable because of high commission rates and hidden fees. Your hard work primarily serves to finance their massive overhead.
Massive RTO, return to origin, losses. The high-risk nature of COD means customers can refuse packages at the door with zero consequence. You are left paying for two-way shipping, turning a profit opportunity into a guaranteed loss.
Operational nightmares. Dealing with slow support, complex manual reconciliation, and frequent inventory shortages due to slow cash flow makes operating exhausting and inefficient.
In short, the traditional marketplace model is built to perpetuate high risk and slow growth, not accelerate your success.
HKBazaar.com, built for the vendor, engineered for digital profit.
HKBazaar.com was founded on the belief that a vendor's success should not be penalized by outdated payment systems. As a modern multi-window marketplace, we offer a modern, secure, and profitable alternative by embracing the global digital standard. We are the new shopping website that prioritizes your profitability.
The essential shift, digital-only payments.
We are digital only, no COD. This isn't just a policy, it's the core engine of vendor profitability.
Fastest payouts in the industry. Because payments are secured upfront, your cash flow moves instantly. You get paid faster and more reliably, eliminating the weeks-long wait typical of COD reconciliation.
Zero RTO losses. By requiring a secure digital commitment, card, e-wallet, bank transfer, we filter out fraudulent and non-serious orders, saving you money on shipping and inventory handling. Superior order quality. Every order placed on HKBazaar.com comes from a committed, digital-ready customer, leading to higher conversion rates and far fewer returns.
Unmatched profitability. Our commission structure is designed to be the lowest in the market, ensuring you keep maximum revenue from every sale.
Dedicated local support. Access to real, dedicated support based in Pakistan that understands your issues and resolves them quickly. No more offshore generic replies.
The Founder's Advantage. Join the new seller website now as a launch partner and benefit from premium placement and our aggressive launch marketing to secure your top seller spot immediately.
Your call to action. Stop paying for the past. The digital growth in Pakistan is not a trend, it's a permanent shift. By remaining heavily reliant on COD, you are actively participating in a system that is designed to squeeze your profits and hinder your scalability. It's time to diversify your sales and join a marketplace that is built for the future of e-commerce. Ready to stop absorbing the costs of COD and secure instant cash flow? Ready to effectively sell online? Visit https://www.hkbazaar.com/become-a-vendor and start your journey today.
Don't forget to like, comment and share.